reminders lang sa mga ticket holders. Please head on to the cinemas. Pwede na po kayong pumasok sa lahat ng mga ticket holders. Filipino viewers this Christmas.
Hello, yeah, there you go. First of all, good evening, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat at
Okay.
Many blessings this year. At least you guys will celebrate the Christmas together talaga as a family. Please,
As a family, na ito, may MMFF movie kayo.
Oo. Actually, thankful kami kasi yung parade, ginawa ng on the 19th. So, medyo malayo-layo pa naman sa Pasko. So, meron pa naman kaming enough time to prepare for the Christmas Day, yung Noche Buena and all.
Kamusta naman ang pakiramdam na andito ka ngayon kasama nating lahat for your MMFF film?
Yes, sobrang saya of course kasi alam mo, huling entry ko sa MMFF, pandemic kasi during that time. So, first time ko na-experience yung live during MMFF season.
Okay. Ang discount ng OFW, please welcome the dazzling Bella Padilla! Let's go! Ayan, okay, a round of applause please. Palakpakan naman natin ang buong cast!
Kahit di ko sila naka-eksena lahat, pero diba, mapagsama-sama ko yung buong movie sa
truly amazing. What an ensemble. I'm seeing them all here sitting red carpet. Napakagaling. Congratulations again, Charlie. Please join the rest.
Siyempre, the creative mind behind this film, we got Direct Jane Castro and the very beautiful Charlie Dizon. Ang gagawin dito?
I will go to my neighbor.
Doon ka, tapos
Mikey, internet tayo. Actually, reconnect. That's what it's all about. I guess Bella here, did she make her way in?
And I think in a bit,
In a bit.
Thank you everybody. Merry Christmas. Ang gagaling po ng lahat ng cast.
We're facing the audience, so they'll do a reverse lang. Hello everybody, how you guys doing?
for the crew feel.
There you go.
The amazing cast and director of Reconnect, palakpakan naman natin sila!
As they do take their seats, once again, one more for the photo.
And videos, alam kong